Okay, hi everyone. My name is Mayur Mahanta and today is the first day of Life Begins at 250, a project by XBHP and Bajaj. And I'll be riding this beautiful Dominar 250 for the next 10 days and entering into the 250cc Pro League. So I have almost covered 200 plus kilometers riding the Dominar 250 on the highway, and I'm already enjoying its performance and how smoothly it rides on the highways. Now, as you can see, I have just approached the Kaziranga National Park, which is famous for its one-horn rhinoceros. You can see a statue of it in my background. So up next, we'll be stopping somewhere near Bokaghat for a chai break. So stay tuned as we progress on this road trip. Here I am riding through the Kaziranga National Park. This entire stretch is an animal corridor, so you need to be very slow and alert while riding through this particular route. But at the same time, it is very scenic, so it is a very good experience to ride on this particular road. So this marks the end of day one, and I have completed 500 plus kilometers of riding on the highways of Assam. It was really nice riding the Dominar 250 today, and I have checked into this really nice homestay in Dibrugarh. So it's time to rest, and tomorrow we will be entering Arunachal Pradesh. So it's the end of the plains and the hilly road starts. So looking forward for a lot of adventures ahead. So let me take you through this homestay where I am staying in Dibrugarh. The name of this homestay is Homestay by the Tea Garden. So here is how it looks. The view is from the homestay. And this is a very nice bookshelf, but you can actually open it. And here is my room. And even this room have a very nice view. And this is my workspace for today. I'll be sitting here editing a few photos for the ongoing project Life Begins at 250 with XBHP and Bajaj. So stay tuned as I keep updating you. Good morning and welcome to the second day of my ride. Today I'll be riding from Dibrugarh, Assam to Mayodhya Pass in Arunachal Pradesh, and on the way I'll be crossing the Dhaula Khodia bridge, which is 9.2 kilometers and is the longest bridge in India. So today I'll be covering approximately 300 kilometers. The ride starts on the highways, but by the end of the day we'll be riding on the mountain passes of Arunachal Pradesh, as we are riding to Mayodhya Pass, and it is at an altitude of 8,710 feet above mean sea level. So yes, things are going to get interesting from now. And as you can see right now, I have already covered about 70 kilometers from Dibrugarh, and we are riding through the tea gardens of Assam. So I have covered about 110 kilometers on day 2, and what you see behind me, this is the longest bridge in India. It is 9.2 kilometers and is known as the Bhupen Hazarika Setu, as well as Dhaula Khodia bridge. So after this bridge we will be reaching Khodia, and after Khodia we will be crossing the Assam-Arunachal border and entering Roing. And from Roing we'll be heading further to Mayodhya Pass. Hi viewers, welcome to Mayodhya Pass. So Mayodhya Pass is at an altitude of 8,711 feet above mean sea level, and it is in Arunachal Pradesh in the lower Dibang Valley. So now it has started getting cold. So we'll go a few meters ahead and stop for a cup of chai, because till here there were no stalls. There's one very good shop known as the Mayodhya Coffee Shop just 3 kilometers from here, but unfortunately today it is closed. So I'll have to rely on chai for the day. So yeah, we'll move a few meters ahead, and also I can see that there's snow on the side of the road. So let's see what's ahead for us.